day that citizens should be very proud of their work. This tree was saved. Those 3 trees were also saved by all the people that attended those TxDOT meetings, those city council meetings, raising up their voices. You also have a victory, San Marcos, by stopping this roundabout. If you recall, the Laura's land was going to be a roundabout. Now it's a 2-way intersection. All this was their property. And so here we are, the day of reckoning. You should be proud of your work. It's unfortunate in the coming future, more citizens are going to encounter this irresponsible, out of control growth. Your land someday may end up being taken by eminent domain or condemnation. And where and what will you do? Stay vigilant for your neighbors, because this is what's happening right now in our town. Hunter Road Construction Project.